Legend has it, this drink was named after the motorcycle attachment you stick your tipsy friend in when they've had one too many. Whether that's true or just a very classy cover story, we're drinking it either way. Welcome back, my booze-loving bartenders and cocktail connoisseurs. Today, we're diving into a drink that's equal parts mysterious, citrusy, and suave. It's a Prohibition-era icon that says, "I may look elegant, but I pack a punch. Let's ride." All right, history buffs and booze hounds, let's hop into our metaphorical sidecar and take a ride back to the early 1900s. Now, the Sidecar is one of those cocktails that has about 3 birth certificates and no solid alibi. It's got Parisian elegance, London swagger, and American Prohibition vibes all rolled into one citrus-kissed mystery. The Paris theory. The most popular origin story lands us in Paris, either at Harry's New York bar or the Ritz Hotel, depending on who's had more drinks. Legend has it, an American Army captain, or possibly a local lush, used to arrive to the bar in the sidecar of a motorcycle. Why? Because Parisian roads plus cognac equals "I'm not driving." To honor him, or just capitalize on his entrance, they supposedly named the drink after his stylish mode of arrival. It's like if Uber got you your own signature cocktail. The story goes that this captain wanted something to warm him up before dinner. The bartender whipped up something based on a brandy sour but refined it with Cointreau and lemon. Et voilà! The Sidecar was born, possibly in a moment of inspiration, or maybe just a rush to get him out of the bar before he ordered a fourth. The London theory, enter stage right. Bucks Club in London. Famous for inventing the Bucks Fizz, you know, the mimosa's classier cousin. Bartender Pat McGarry, a cocktail wizard of his time, is also frequently credited with inventing the Sidecar around the same period. Some say London's version was a little drier, a bit more reserved, British, if you will, less sweet, more balanced. A gentleman's cocktail meant for evening sipping while discussing the stock market, or how not to show emotion. Paris versus London, the boozy battle. So, who really invented it? Harry McElhone, the owner of Harry's New York bar in Paris, kind of claimed it in his 1922 book, Harry's ABC of Mixing Cocktails, but he later credited it to Bucks Club in a later edition. Cocktail historian David Embury also waded into the fight, favoring a more sharply balanced recipe and leaning toward the London origin story. Because, of course, the cocktail world can't agree on anything except that you should shake it, not stir it. Evolution over time. The original Sidecar recipes varied wildly in ratios. Early versions used equal parts cognac, Cointreau, and lemon juice, sweet, strong, and sour all in a row. Later on, bartenders dialed things in to favor the spirit more, usually a 2-to-1 to 1 or 2 to 3/4. 3/4 ratio. Less sugar, more sophistication. By the 1930s and 40s, the Sidecar was an international hit. It was elegant, boozy, balanced, and perfect for hotel lounges, tuxedo parties, or classy rooftop affairs where someone definitely played jazz on a saxophone. Recipe and technique. Let's make one, shall we? Here's the classic Sidecar recipe. 2 ounces cognac, or brandy if you're feeling rebellious, 1 ounce Cointreau, or triple sec, 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice. Optional, sugar rim if you like a little sparkle. Steps: chill your coupe glass. Cold drinks deserve cold homes. If you're feeling fancy, rim the glass with sugar. In a shaker, combine cognac, Cointreau, and lemon juice with ice. Shake like you're escaping the cops in 1925 Paris. Strain into your chilled coupe. Garnish with a lemon twist or nothing at all. It's got enough style already. And there it is, strong, citrusy, and smoother than a jazz solo. Fun facts and variations. The Sidecar is part of the Daisy cocktail family. Spirits, citrus, and sweetener. Yes, cocktails have families. It's like Fast and the Furious, but with more alcohol and less Vin Diesel. It's one of the few classic cocktails where cognac is the star, not just a backup dancer. Most cognac-based drinks faded in popularity, but the Sidecar stuck around. It's like the Beyoncé of brandy drinks. The sugar rim? Not original. It was added later to balance the lemon's tartness, but it also made the drink look fancier in hotel lounges. Think of it as the cocktail's version of contouring. In the 1940s and 50s, Sidecars were considered a ladies' drink because of the sugar rim and citrus. Fast forward to now, and it's a genderless powerhouse in the cocktail world. Equal opportunity booze. The Sidecar was so influential that it inspired spin-offs. The Cable Car, made with spiced rum instead of cognac. Basically, if the Sidecar went on vacation to the Caribbean. The Between the Sheets, equal parts cognac and light rum with a bit of triple sec and lemon. Basically the threesome of cocktails. Yep, that's real. And here's a bar trivia gem. According to one apocryphal tale, the drink was originally intended as a hangover cure. So the next time someone judges you for ordering a Sidecar at brunch, just say you're being responsible. So whether you're riding in a vintage motorcycle or just cruising through happy hour, the Sidecar is here to keep it classy. If you learned something, laughed, or just got thirsty, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Comments if you've ever had a Sidecar that slapped. Cheers to cocktails that come with a side of mystery and a whole lot of flavor.